Right, y'all. Can we please normalize making luxury graduation party decor on a Dollar Tree budget? Because why are people out here spending hundreds and thousands of dollars on graduation centerpieces when you can literally make stunning viral pieces yourself for a fraction of the price? So today I'm showing you 5 viral Dollar Tree graduation centerpiece ideas that are affordable, beginner-friendly, look super expensive, and honestly, your guests are probably going to think you hired a professional decorator. And the best part, most of these supplies can be found at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, or your local craft store. Before we start today's video, do you want your events to look luxury without wasting time searching everywhere for supplies? Grab our A-list vendor directory inside. You'll find trusted vendors for flowers, balloons, event rentals, backdrops, centerpieces, party supplies, wedding decor, and so much more. Perfect for decorators, party planners, brides, and DIY creators who want high-end looks on a budget. Stop guessing where everyone gets their beautiful decor from. Comment vendors and I'll send you the link. Link will also be in the description box underneath this video. Now grab your hot glue gun, your snacks, and let's create some graduation centerpiece of the year. Idea number 1, the luxury floating candle graduation centerpiece. Listen, this centerpiece right here instantly makes any graduation party feel elegant, especially at night. The candle glow, the reflections, the flowers. This gives luxury banquet vibes on a budget. Here's what you'll need: Dollar Tree cylinder vases, floating candles, decorative gems or rocks, artificial flowers, mini graduation cap picks, LED fairy lights is optional, and optional gold spray paint if you want to elevate the look even more. Now let me show you how easy this is. First, take your cylinder vases and spray paint the bottom lightly gold, black, silver, or your graduation colors. Then, fill the bottom of the vase with decorative gems or rocks. This helps give the centerpiece weight and also makes it sparkle when the candles are lit. Next, add water into the vase and place your floating candle right on top. Now around the bottom of the centerpiece, arrange your artificial flowers. You can use roses, hydrangeas, baby's breath, or even greenery from Dollar Tree. Then tuck in some LED fairy lights around the flowers so everything glows beautifully once the lights dim at the party. And finally, add mini graduation cap picks or class of 2026 toppers to finish the look. Now, why is the centerpiece such a good idea? Because candles automatically create atmosphere. It instantly feels romantic, upscale, cozy, and luxurious. And guests love taking pictures around candlelit decor. Plus, this centerpiece works for graduation dinners, banquets, outdoor parties, backyard celebrations, even school events. And honestly, this centerpiece probably costs around $15 to $20 total, but looks like something from a luxury event company. Idea number 2, the giant balloon stack graduation centerpiece. Now this centerpiece right here is for the people that want the room to feel fun, exciting, energetic, and super social media worthy. This is the type of decor that immediately grabs attention the second guests walk into the room. Here's what you'll need: Dollar Tree balloons, balloon sticks, foam block, large decorative gift box, metallic fringe, ribbon curls, graduation signs or numbers. First, take your gift box and decorate it in your graduation colors. Black and gold always looks luxurious, but school colors work amazing too. Then, place your foam block inside the box. Next, inflate your balloons in different sizes. This is important because different balloon sizes make the arrangement feel more organic and high-end. Now attach the balloons onto balloon sticks and place them into the foam block at different heights. Then, add metallic fringe and ribbon curls throughout the arrangement. This adds movement and sparkle, which helps the centerpiece pop in photos and videos. Finally, Add graduation signs, giant year numbers, or mini graduation caps. Now let me tell you why this centerpiece goes viral online all the time. Because it creates big visual impact for cheap. And that's the secret to making events feel luxurious. A lot of people think luxury means expensive, but luxury is really about presentation, fullness, lighting, height, and visual drama. This centerpiece fills empty space beautifully without costing a fortune. And if you're decorating for a large graduation party, this idea is amazing because it's lightweight, affordable, and easy to make in bulk. Idea number 3, the viral money bouquet graduation centerpiece. Okay, listen. The internet loves money bouquets. And honestly, graduation and money flowers just make sense because after surviving school, the graduate deserves flowers and cash. Here's what you'll need. Fake money or real dollar bills, artificial roses, wrapping paper, tall vase, ribbon, LED lights, floral foam, graduation topper. First, take your dollar bills and fold them into fan or flower shapes. There are so many easy tutorials online for this part. Then, attach the folded bills onto floral stems or skewers. Next, place floral foam inside your vase. Now mix the money flowers with artificial roses throughout the arrangement. You want to spread the money evenly so the centerpiece looks balanced and full. Then, wrap the vase with ribbon or decorative paper. After that, add LED lights throughout the bouquet. Trust me, the glow makes everything look more expensive. And finally, top it off with a graduation topper or personalized sign. Now, why do people love this centerpiece so much? Because it feels personal, trendy, and luxurious all at the same time. It's decor and a gift. And guests always gather around money centerpieces, taking pictures and posting them online. This centerpiece is especially good for graduation parties, gift tables, VIP tables, sweetheart tables, photo booth areas. And honestly, if you post this on TikTok or Facebook, people are definitely tagging somebody in the comments. Idea number 4, the sentimental photo memory centerpiece. Now this centerpiece right here, this is the emotional one because there's just something special about seeing graduation photos next to baby pictures and childhood memories. This centerpiece always creates conversations at parties. Here's what you'll need. Printed photos, wooden skewers, mini clips or tape, mason jars or vases, fairy lights is optional, flowers, ribbon, graduation confetti. First, print out photos from different stages of the graduate's life. Baby photos, school photos, sports pictures, senior portraits, family moments, then attach the photos onto skewers using clips or tape. Next, fill your mason jar or vase with fairy lights and graduation confetti. Then arrange flowers around the base. After that, insert the photo skewers at different heights. This creates dimension and makes the centerpiece look more dynamic and professional. Finally, tie ribbon around the vase and personalize it with the graduate's name and graduation year. Now, why is this centerpiece such a beautiful idea? Because it creates emotional connection. People love decor that tells a story. And at graduation parties, guests naturally spend time looking through the memories, laughing, smiling, and talking about old moments. It turns your decor into an experience instead of just decoration. And honestly, those emotional touches are what make events unforgettable. Idea number 5, the Glam graduation cap floral stand centerpiece. Okay, this one right here gives luxury event planner energy. Tall or short centerpieces automatically make events feel more expensive and upscale. And the best part, this one is surprisingly affordable. Here's what you'll need. Foam board, artificial flowers, tall gold stand or clear vase, black cardstock, gold ribbon, hot glue gun. LED lights is optional. First, Create your graduation cap using foam board and black cardstock. You can make it as big or small as you want depending on your table size. Then attach the cap onto your tall stand or vase. Next, add flowers underneath the cap. You want to layer your flowers to create fullness and depth. Hydrangeas are great for making arrangements feel larger without spending too much money. Then, wrap the stand with ribbon. And finally, add LED lights throughout the flowers so the arrangement glows beautifully at night. Now, why does the centerpiece work so well? Because height creates drama, and dramatic decor photographs beautifully. The centerpiece instantly transforms ordinary spaces into luxury-looking celebrations. It's perfect for entrance tables, guest tables, dessert tables, main focal points, photo areas, and honestly, this is the kind of centerpiece people save on Pinterest for future inspiration. Now, before we finish, let me tell y'all something important. You do not need a huge budget to create beautiful graduation decor. Seriously. A lot of luxury event design is simply creativity. Good color combinations, lighting, balance, height variation, and confidence. That's it. People think event decor is all about money, but presentation changes everything. So whether you're decorating for your child, your sibling, yourself, a client, or a family member, remember this. You can absolutely create a stunning graduation celebration without going broke. And honestly, some of the best viral party setups online were made using affordable DIY supplies and creative ideas. So don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to try. And definitely don't underestimate Dollar Tree. All right, y'all. Which centerpiece idea was your favorite?